I looked up online, I did research as people do, and I couldn't find any videos explaining how to load Instax into a Mamiya without all these modifications or extra pieces and extra parts that those pieces themselves are a whole nother video to research. So I just figured I'd try to do it on my own, and I figured it out. So now I'm going to teach you how to do it. To load your film back, you're going to need a changing bag or a very dark room. Put your film back and your Instax camera into the bag. If you're in a dark room, this is the point where you turn the lights off. Now that it's dark, open up your film back and remove the cartridge. Then open the Instax camera and remove its film cartridge. To get the film out of the cartridge, you're going to need to press your fingers into these two slots on the back to keep the film firmly pressed to the front of the cartridge. Then, using your thumb, slide up on the film to remove it from the cartridge. Then just place the cartridge back into the Instax and close it up. On the film itself, there'll be a bumpy side and a smooth side. We want to load the film bumpy side down. On the film back near the hinge, you'll find a small lip. Place the thick bordered side of the film into this edge. Once it locks into place, put the film cartridge back and close everything up. I always remove the dark slide to double check the placement and orientation of the film. On the short edges, make sure that the film borders are even with the opening of the film bag. For the longer edges, make sure the gap on either side is even and parallel with the edge of the opening. Now insert the dark slide back and you're ready to go shoot. I'd recommend trying this a few times with exposed film just to make sure you've got it. Once you've exposed your film, you're going to go through the same exact process in reverse. Remove your film from the back and place it back into the Instax cartridge. Make sure the film goes in with the thin border down and the film side or bumpy side faced out. Use your thumb to press the unexposed film into the back of the cartridge and feel with your thumb to make sure that this frame ends up on the top of the stack. Now return the cartridge and you're ready to process the film. Turn the exposure compensation dial to high key. This will decrease the likelihood of accidentally double exposing your film. Cover the lens and fire the camera. Enjoy.